Let's start by calculating the sum of the numbers from 1 to 100. To do this, we'll need to start by setting a result variable to 0. Next, we can use our up to method on 1 up to 100. Then we'll pass each of those numbers from 1 to 100 to a block, and we'll use the num argument. Next, we can add num onto result, and to do this we can use the plus equals operator. We'll close the loop by calling end, and let's puts the result. Each time up to iterates, it's calling the next number in the sequence and passing it to num. Then as we get each one of those, we're adding that number onto the result. So the final result by the time the loop completes is the sum of all of those numbers from 1 up to 100. Let's see what happens when we run it. We get 5,050. Next, given an array containing 10 items, delete the first item and print it, and then repeat that 3 times. So we're actually going to do this 4 times in total. I've created my own array of 10 strings using the %W shortcut. Now I'm going to do this 4 times. 4 times do, and I'm going to use puts to print it out. Array.delete at 0. And then I'm going to finish with end to close the loop. So remember that delete at will delete the first element of an array. But delete at here will actually be returning the item that we've just deleted. So even though it's no longer in the array, we can still print it out. Let's see what happens when we run it. Right, so if I run this code, I get Jane, John, Mary, and Kate. So we can look at our array and expect that the first 4 items of the array would have been taken out in order. Jane would have been taken out first, then the next first item after that had been removed would be John, then Mary, and Kate. Then if we'd like to see what the array looks like now, we can put a string to the screen and puts the array. The array is now Elle, Simon, Dan, Kumar, Wei, and Charlotte, the 6 remaining items. So we have effectively deleted those 4 elements.